Welcome Forsythe to Science Distance Learning. In this video, we will 1. Talk about what distance learning will look like starting today, 2. Preview our new unit, and 3. Go over how to complete today's assignment. Going forward, you will only have 2 science lessons a week. Those science lessons will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can expect each lesson to take 30 to 45 minutes. On Friday, you'll fill out a Google form for science and all your other classes. We have 9 weeks left of school. With 2 lessons a week, that's 18 online lessons before school ends on June 12th. What will we learn about in this unit? We're going to learn all about weather. We'll build on what you've learned before about the water cycle and the difference between weather and climate to learn about how severe weather happens and why we get different kinds of precipitation. Let's talk about how to complete today's assignment. The top of your Google Doc has your learning targets and the schedule for this week. Notice that this Google Doc has your assignments for day 1, Tuesday, and day 2, Thursday. The first part of your assignment is the video, which you're watching right now. Next, you need to answer these questions in Google Classroom. Anytime you see a yellow box, that's your signal to write. So for example, what days will you have science lessons every week? You would delete this and say, we will have science assignments on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you ever get stuck, there's sentence stems at the bottom. Or if you need help just answering a few questions, you can click here and watch a video of a teacher walking you through. Next, you're going to fill out a KWL about what you know and want to learn about weather. Don't fill out the learned column yet. Again, if you get stuck, you can use the sentence stems or watch this video to walk you through these questions. Next, you'll choose 2 of these videos to watch by clicking About Weather. When you're done, you'll go back here and add 3 things you learned. Again, if you get stuck, you can always click here to watch a video for that part. Now we're on day 2, which is Thursday. You're going to start by watching a video on EdPuzzle, which is a 5-minute review of all the important things you learned in elementary school that you're going to need to remember for this unit. You'll answer 1 question about the video. Then you'll reflect on the learning goals for the week. You'll read the learning goal, delete this, and rate yourself from 1 to 4. Finally, you'll share with your classmates in Google Classroom on this assignment via the class comments, and you'll respond to 1 other student. Make sure that you always press Turn in Google Classroom when you finish your assignment.